There we go, like that. The color's changing, whatever. It hits green when we're good. Whew, these are probably the most difficult tires I've ever inflated. They're pretty big tires, and I did it really quick, guys. This thing's not even hot. It is pretty quiet, too, for a tire pump. So pretty stoked about that. Look, shows up the PSI, and when it gets closer, it goes green. So even if you can't see it or whatever, that's another nice indicator there. That's super cool. Look at those tires. I think those are on there pretty good. All right, I just need my get the back tire now. Oh no, can't go on a bike ride because my tire is completely flat. No worries. Check this out. Slip this on there. Well, that's really flat. Boom. What do I want to set it to? All right, we'll set it to bicycle right there at 60 and hit start. It's pretty quiet. It's not like not super loud. That was quick. This thing is so handy and convenient. Okay, real time, guys. We're going to inflate this. We're sitting at 24 PSI, and we're gonna run up to 35. So we're gonna just go to, let's see, switch to car, and obviously we want to make that 35 PSI, and then hit the start button. We'll see how long this takes. From 24 PSI to 35 here. So just a little over a minute, so that's pretty impressive actually. Can't play football or basketball like this, that's for sure. Just grab our little thing out of here. I love that little convenience, the convenience of this little area. Super easy. Got the adapters that we need. Just get our needle out, put it in there. Lock it into place. And let's see here. Push that in. Power. Let's select what we want here. Oops, turn it on. All right. Cycle through ball. On easy. Perfect. This one's not gonna work, is it? Here we go. On 8. Quiet enough so we can still talk, though. Play some basketball. Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the GT160 dual tire inflator from GOOLOO. Oh, this thing, oh wow. Check that out. It's got a nice grip case on there. It should have a nice big screen here also. I just got, it's very cool. Comes with a little bag so we can just throw that in there. And these are invaluable. You can use them to charge your phone too if you're in a pinch, or keep that working. So this screws in there nicely, and a charging cable. Look at that big display there. I mean, that is real bright. Right on here, a light also, and I like that the light's right there on the front. So it's dark out, you're trying to inflate your tire and you have no light to see. Sometimes they have a light over here or something, so that doesn't really help you like attach it to the thing. So I like that the light's right there. Looks like they knew what they were doing. They're designing this thing. 10,000 milliamp hours also, so plenty of charge. You're going to be able to charge your phones and inflate numerous tires on here. This little convenient thing, this is someone, like I said, someone was really thinking when they designed it. It has your basketball needle in there and everything like that, held on with a strong neodyne magnet, but also securely in your thing so you take it with you no matter where you go. Just a great idea there. Okay friends, final thoughts on this GOOLOO GT160 dual tire inflator. The dual cylinders on this allows it to inflate quicker, as we saw. Of all the portable tire inflators that I reviewed, quite a few now, this one is the fastest, probably the quietest too. It's not very loud. You can still carry on a conversation while you're inflating a tire. So whether you're taking this camping, if you need to charge up your phone, simply plug it in right here and then hit the power button, and we can see starts charging up right away. Whether you want to use the camping light on here too, hit the power. I like the nice big display on here as well. Easy to see even in the daylight, so I really like that. I've tested other ones where you couldn't really tell if it was inflating or not. And then of course the light on there is nice and bright. So this has a lot of nice features, very compact. Whether you're taking it camping or just an emergency, to go in your emergency kit for your car, it's going to be able to provide like emergency power to charge your phone. Also the 10,000 milliamp hour battery, it's going to be able to provide plenty of inflation power for like whatever, several tires, lots of basketballs, volleyballs, inflatables for the pool or going to the river, anything like that. So very cool. Very compact, actually. It didn't overheat when I was heating up the tires or anything like that. So all in all, my friends, this is a very handy device to have. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a nice tire inflator or anything like that. Excellent for the emergency go kit for your car, to give away as a gift to your kids or whatever they're going off to college. Man, I've had some flat tires before where I didn't have a device to inflate my tire, and you're just kind of stranded there. You got to go call for help. If you have one of these, maybe it's a slow leak or something, you can get inflated enough to where you can get to where, you know, a tire repair shop or something like that. So they're very handy, and they're yeah, definitely nice to have. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.